Imagine all energy sources suddenly vanished from the Earth. There would be no oil, no natural gas, no coal, nothing. Thank goodness, we have the sun. 1 hour of sunlight can be enough to power the entire planet for a year. That makes the sun the most abundant energy source, while making solar panels the most efficient energy converters. Of course, the manufacturing process of solar panels determines their efficiency. The silicon, which was purified and collected into solid rocks, is cooked at 3,632 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 2,000 degrees Celsius, along with carbon, blended with boron and phosphorus, and then molded into ingots that are sliced into tiny wafers. Those wafers become solar cells when the metal conductors are added to their surfaces. After the solar cells are wired and placed between EVA sheets, they are now ready for the lamination process, which means sealing the panels with resin, protective film, and strengthened glass. Lastly, the panels are supported by an aluminum frame placed around the edge to protect the solar panel from cracking. A solar panel needs to be crack-free, otherwise it significantly affects its performance. Now that we know how solar panels are manufactured and how easy it is to generate energy from the sun, comment below with your thoughts on why most of the world still insists on using non-renewable energy sources.